to recharge your DJI remote controller. Whether the model is, you should see somewhere a USB-C connector. So let's take this one for example. You just have to understand something. When you got a USB-C connector on a device that can be charged, because there is a battery, usually you can use that connector to recharge it. And, well, any USB-C cable will do the job. So we got a USB-C to USB-A. So for this one, we could use any kind of adapter just like that. And, well, connect it this way. Of course, this one will need to go to the wall, the power. You could also use a USB-C to USB-C connector, just like this one. So you connect this one right here, and you go to the other side right there. It can be a power brick just like this one. It can be a USB-C connection on an outlet like this one. You can connect it to your laptop or any computer or anything. If it's USB, it's compatible and it will do its job. So if I connect it to the power, you should see somewhere 4 lights. So on this one, as you can see, there is 2 blinking light. It's because it's on the way to reach 50% charge. So this one means that we will reach 25, 50, 75, and 100%. When it's fully charged, you will have 4 solid light instead of blinking just like this one. It's always the same principle. As you can see, this one does have 4 LEDs. And if I connect it, we should see them blinking. Or, well, actually, this one seems to be, no, it's charging. So it's almost full, otherwise it will have been remain steady just like it was. So just remember, it's USB-C connection. If you can put a cable into it and connect it to an outlet or whatever, a computer, a battery bank, whatever you want, it will charge. Of course, there is stronger outlet if you want one that is of good quality and optimized for your remote that will go faster. You can follow my link in the description. So I hope this was helpful.